Going on, Mr. Dave here. We finished this guy up. Got some nice subtle colors here on this fake rock slide. We have been painting it and working with the client to get it to where they like it. And here's the stairs. Got some cool little details I like in there. They're pretty cool. And that's the front and side stair area. And then over here we have the stairs up to where you can poke your head over the side of the slide and look in. And that's the slide ride going in there. And that's the start right there. So a little bit of a sandstony weathered rock texture, and came out pretty cool. Got some variation in some of the stones, which is kind of cool. We have a planter in here, and that will be all awesome when they plant it out. So another one in the bag, baby. All right, yeah. So until next time, we'll see you on the rock pile. Remember to be grateful and thankful. DaveHenderson.podia.com to find out how we do this, and DaveRHenderson.com for blogs and links to other platforms if you like. Alrighty. Have a great day, you guys. God bless. Get Jesus in your heart. He's coming back soon. All right. Have a great day. Mr. Dave checking out. Chalk another one up in the books. Bye.